morning, good morning. Welcome to Let's Eat. It's morning now, but I don't know if it'll be morning when you see this video. Let's get ready. Today we're doing, this is our breakfast series today. Got some potatoes. They just baked off a little earlier, actually the night before. So we made some home fries with these. Just gonna cut them to cubes. Nothing fancy. And there's a lot of different ways to make your home fries. This is a way that I like to make them. Like I said, you can do it in the old classic way. Boil them over. Onions, paprika, salt, pepper. This way is just a simple way, but they're nice and crispy this way. So, what we're going to do is take them, deep fry. Remember I told you the potatoes already been cooked off the night before. Just baked them, nothing special. So, we're making some French toast. And I'm going to tell you a secret about French toast. Don't add any cinnamon to French toast. I know you're saying, what? All these years you were told to don't put cinnamon in it. The cinnamon is going to burn. And that's how you get that dark color in your French toast. I'll show you a better way. Let those potatoes go. Let them do this thing. Don't worry about it. It'll be alright. Two eggs. Beat them up nice. I'll say about a quarter cup of milk. Oh yeah. Let it do its thing. Don't worry about nothing. I'm gonna do something else too while we're getting busy right now. Take 2 more eggs. Those 2 eggs are going to be for our omelet for later, okay? Put those over here. I did some bacon a little earlier too. Bacon pretty simple. If you don't know how to fry it up, you just put it right in the oven. Put it on your flat sheet pan and put the whole gal in the oven. And keep it moving. I could put a lot of vanilla. I'll say about, put that much. Don't worry. My lovely wife's gonna, she always breaks down the ingredients for you guys. And she'll put it right on the list so you'll be able to see exactly what amount I use. Okay. We got our French toast mix ready. So all it is milk, eggs, and vanilla. That's it. Got some French bread left over from yesterday. I made a little pizza. Check on these home fries. Should be starting to do a little thing. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Now remember, on one of the previous videos, well, let's do this first. Take your French bread and just cut it on an angle. Okay, right on the bias. Cut it on the bias. I'm showing you right now, we're going to do an episode where we're cutting steaks. I'm going to teach you how to cut your own steaks. You'll save a lot of money, a lot of time. But I can't teach you on steaks because you might mess up. So we're going to take a loaf of bread. It has to be the same size all the way through. All the way through. Can't be crooked, can't be all lopsided. Gotta be on point. Okay. Oil. Don't forget the butter helps give it that little crispy taste to it and prevents it from burning. So 2 little things of butter on that piece. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is all it is, guys. Taking your time. Taking your time. Taking your time. Oil and butter. That's it. Home fries looking like something. Oh. Oh. Let it do its thing. Check me out. Ready? Simple. Simple. Dip. Dip. And drop. Dip. Dip. And drop. Dip. Dip. And as soon as it hits this, you're going to smell it. It's going to be unbelievable. Don't forget, have your nice soapy water ready to go. Looking good. Peek at that. All it is cinnamon. I'm sorry, vanilla. Smell that vanilla. Let it do its thing. Don't force it. Don't fight it. Let it do its thing. Potatoes are working. Feeling good this morning. Come on, y'all. Come on, y'all. That's what I'm talking about. Want that nice color? Give it some time. Let it do its thing. Don't fight it. Don't force it. Get these eggs going right here for your omelet. We're gonna hit them over the head real quick with everything today. Gonna be quick. Gonna be fast. Gonna be good. Don't forget. Go back to one of the other videos where I made the deep fried apple pie. Come on, y'all. I made the deep fried apple pie. We're using the same toppings for this French toast. Look what I'm telling y'all. It's not difficult, man. It's taking your time. It's taking your time. That's all it is. It's taking your time. Oh, yeah. My bacon's done. I'm going to give it a quick flash in the microwave, warm her up, nothing crazy. 30 seconds. French toast is working. Get ready with the omelets. It's almost showtime already. I'm almost ready to plate, y'all. Oh, yeah. One of the great advantages of doing your home fries this way. Hit it with the salt, hit it with the pepper, and let it sit there for a second. I'm gonna mess with it in a minute. French toast is done. Oh yeah. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. French toast is done. Y'all playing around. French toast is done. Home fries is done. Bacon just about done. Remember the apples I told you about? Go back to that other episode. You're gonna see it. You're gonna see it. Come on, y'all. Gotta give it a little bit of taste. Gotta give it to him. Gotta give it to him. Oh yeah, we're looking good. We're looking good. We're almost done. We're almost done. Omelet pan's ready to go. Just turn it down a little bit. Clean up your plate, because you know, I talk about you in the streets. Now you put a little cinnamon on that piece. Just a little taste, not crazy. Oh yeah, I love this. I love this. Gotta cheat a little bit. Put a little bit of cream on there. Y'all play, man. Y'all here playing around. I'm trying to give you something. I'm trying to give you something. Y'all here playing. Hitting with that. Watch this. Watch this. Watch this. This is it. This is it, y'all. This is it. Oh yeah. Here we go. Just a little bit of oil. Nothing fancy. A little bit of salt. A little bit of pepper. Now, the key to a nice omelet, if you pull it away, it's going to cook on the outside. You pull it away. You pull it away. Keep pulling it away. And let it do its thing. And make sure you get those sides nice and loose. Keep pulling it away. Roll it around. Let it do its thing. The way you cook is by moving it around. Moving it around. Perfect, perfect, perfect. It's coming together nice. Coming together nice. Get ready to plate. Give me some bacon right here. You ready? Oh, come on, y'all. A little bit of cheese. A little bit of onion. And once you flip it, it should be ready to go. Back. That's it. That's all she did. That's all she wrote. Put a little cheese on top so y'all can see it. Check it out, y'all. I love you. I appreciate you. Keep on eating, man. Let's go. Let's eat. Like, subscribe, share. Let's do this.